Alright everyone, it's a little bit farther than I had planned originally to video and all, but I just wasn't able to capture everything that I was wanting to with this here. The kids, I was having to hold the baby while I put all this stuff back together the other day while my 4-year-old was at preschool. So that didn't really go as planned. But I found after I put everything together, it didn't run right. It would run and die, and I think what the problem is, there is like a, I guess you would say, like an impulse tube on the back. I'll show it to you in just a second. I think maybe, I'm hoping that's what my problem is. This thing's set for a very, very, very long time. Alright, sorry about that. Hopefully the audio isn't all messed up on that other clip there. But Donnie Boy, what I was talking about was his YouTube channel. All of his proceeds go toward his, he's got some medical bills or something, I think. From what I can remember, I think that's his channel. Or maybe it's his wife. Sorry about that. I had to get a star bit, and I think I grabbed the wrong size. I bought some little Pittsburgh Harbor Freight star bits because all of mine are kinda old and twisted and broken and all that good mess. Here's the little here's that little tube I was talking about. This end right here goes up onto the carburetor, and this end goes down in a rubber grommet onto the looks like a breather, and what it does, it just pulses the carburetor to pump fuel like a fuel pump. And if I'm not right, please correct me. I just assume that's what that is. And there's the old one there. Hopefully I can get the new one back in just as easy as that came out. I will show you a little trick that I hope will work. I messed that up. I need a trash bucket down here. I'll use this Vaseline and put just a little bit just right around here, and that'll just help it slide a little bit better, hopefully down into that groove down here. See, and that right there is why it was running poorly.
country, sitting in a big armchair. One arm around my whiskey barrel, the other around my deer.
Right there. I had to get that in there. And then the tube goes into it and all that good mess. Let's see if I can get. Sorry if y'all are getting some wind. It's a chilly April morning. All right. I guess that's all there is to it. It runs. It looks like it's gonna. Seems like it's gonna do pretty good, I guess. Let's hope so anyway. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that'll help somebody fix something that ain't running right for you. I just had to adjust a one of the jet screws on there, but I just backed it off just a hair, and it evened back out. But thanks for watching, like and subscribe.